Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hi. You want more information about how to treat open wounds on dogs? These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to treat open wounds on dogs is www.natural-dog-health-remedies.com. Specifically the page titled Dog Wounds: How to Stop Bleeding and Treat Wounds, and here's the link. You can also try www.skinpic.com, especially the page How to Heal Open Wounds, skinpic.com. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.dummies.com. The web page How to Treat Your Dog's Wounds, for Dummies. Here's the link.